GCN recently published a video on how to remove a tyre without using tyre levers. So I'm going to take up that challenge. Here I have a wheel with a tyre on it that I know goes on fairly easily, so it should come off fairly easily. Start with the valve at the bottom to make sure that the tyre was pressed into the well of the wheel all the way round. The tyre bead is now in the well of the rim. I was to start at the top, putting tension on the tyre all the way around. Thus allowing the tyre to come off, and then I should just peel it off. I'm a little surprised about that, as were many of the comments on the GCN video. Now all I have to do is repeat the no tyre lever removal test using this hard to fit tyre. Well, let's give it a go. Let's give it another go. This is very close to coming off, but no joy so far. Yes, did it! Manon, why did I disbelieve you? Of course, I have one other piece of advice. Don't leave your tyre levers at home. Unlike the GCN presenter, Manon, I've decided to do this without a helmet on and risk something falling out of the sky.